swear this room shrinks a little each day. But I can't wait here for the clouds to clear, the sun to shine.